are joined by Illinois State Senator Iris Martinez. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
You actually rode out one of the hurricanes in the Caribbean island of St. Martin. What was that experience like? And we should say that you were there on vacation, right?
I was there on vacation, just trying to relax after Springfield. So it was very horrifying moments. I mean, 4.5 hours when that I was on top of the island. You know, we're bunkered down in a bathroom.
In a hotel?
In a resort. It was resort. So I was just 2 floors. It was 2 floors high. And right in front of the ocean. I mean, I had a great view, you know, but it was the most terrifying because, you know, you're there for 4.5 hours in a room with that eye on you. And then it's like it got quiet and then 15 minutes later, the storm surge. So we were in there for over 6.5 hours in this bathroom. And you know, and what goes through your mind is, am I going to get out of here alive? Because, I mean, the building was just shaking. The winds were just, you know, I mean, you couldn't even bear the pressure in your ear. It was just a really terrifying experience, and then to walk out and see the destruction.
I was going to say, to go through something like that is one thing in itself, but then when you walk out and you see the disaster all around you and realize that the need for that community is going to be long-term, how did that change how you look at, you know, communities helping one another, us helping our neighbors? You
know what, just being there and knowing how we all came together, was 148 of us in that complex. So, you know, coming out and seeing the destruction, seeing that we didn't have an entrance, you know, we didn't have an entrance or an exit because all the boats had piled up on the entrance, knowing that you have to kick into survival mode, and how do we help each other to survive? I mean, we know that for 2 days, you know, there was no communication, you know, nobody was going to come. We had to find ways to survive, rationing on food, the water that we had, a little bit of water that we had left. And we know that we had to find a way out of there because no one was going to come to us.
Right.
So you really come together as a community, you know, like we did, helping each other out, you know, and making sure we finally were able to get out of there.
Sure.
But then seeing the destruction, you know, as you're heading down to the airport, you know, 3 days later, and you just see and know that, you know, how do you rebuild? How do you rebuild? You know, and this is, I'm glad to see that, you know, we're having all these fundraisers. You know, the Red Cross is right here doing what needs to be done, because, you know, when you see the destruction, and now that it's on now in my island of Puerto Rico, you know, knowing, I mean, my family, you know, I just came to finally hear from my family, the final set of family that I have out in the rural areas, finally 3 or 4 days ago, you know, waiting to hear. So it is, you know, it is a cause that, you know, we have to really help and give generously, because you know what, the rebuilding is going to take not months, it's going to take years. It's going to be years.
There's so much need. Thank you so much,
Thank you
Senator.
so much. Thank you.
And so she asked, how can you help? Well, there are several ways to help and donate. Call our telethon today until 6:30, 855-350-2900. Go to cbschicago.com/Red Cross or text Red Cross to 90999 to make a $10 donation.